Hi everyone, I'm Sujith Konan. I'm a hip and knee surgeon. I work at the Hospital of St. John's and Elizabeth's. You may experience severe pain at night waking you up, problems with simple activities, inability to walk short distances, or to engage in light sports or hobbies. Hip replacement is an extremely successful procedure. It is one of the most successful procedures known to surgeons today. It's a dramatic improvement in pain relief and quality of life. Patients are able to return to almost all activities that they please with no restrictions and enjoy a good outcome for up to 30 years. So we recommend you have this operation at Hospital of St. John's and St. Elizabeth's. Most patients manage to go home in 2 nights' time. We have excellent care built around hip replacement surgery. We have a very good imaging department from X-rays to MRI scans. Our inpatient physiotherapy department can look after you while you're in hospital, and the in-house team can then carry on looking after you after you have been discharged. For those people who need occupational therapy services, we have this available in-house, and they will provide input which will be valuable when you go back home.